In this video, I will show you how to split PDF on iPhone without using third-party app for completely free. So let's get started. First, open Files app on your iPhone and go to the location where PDF file is saved. So this is the sample PDF file that we are going to split. Tap on it to open. Now tap Share button in the bottom. From here, select Print from Share Sheet options. In the print preview, tap Range to select which pages you want to keep in the new PDF file. Let's say I want to keep pages from 3 to 5. Next, tap the Share button again in the top right. Now tap Save to Files and select the location where you wish to save the new, smaller PDF on your iPhone. Here you may rename the PDF file. And here is the new PDF file created with pages from 3 to 5 only. So that is how you can split PDF on iPhone without use of third-party app for completely free. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.